welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I've been doing my eyeliner recently, which is very different than how I'm used to doing. I absolutely love big wings and like big eyeliner just because it's such a statement. And if you guys saw my Huda Beauty foundation review, my eyeliner was very small and very thin, and I had so many people asking me like, oh my gosh, I love your eyeliner, what did you do? And I thought that I would just sit down and kind of walk you guys through it. If you guys go back to my Christmas tutorials, you'll see that I have like a big smoked out wing, which I also love, but I think since we're getting into the warmer weather, the spring, I want something small, something more subtle, and that's how this came to be. If you guys like what you see so far, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post my next video. Without any further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so for this eyeliner tutorial, you just need a pen liner. That's what I find easiest to use. I have two right over here. One is drugstore and one is high-end. One of them is the NYX Ink Liner, which you guys know that I like live by. And the other one is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, which is also amazing. Whether it's high-end or drugstore, I really don't think there's that much of a difference. To start off, I'm using my liner to create that winged line, and then I'm pulling it inwards to create a very small line across my lid. As you can see, I'm using very small strokes to keep the line thin but dark. Using these small strokes, I am pulling it towards the outer corner and connecting it with my wing. I'm then using the liner to pull on my inner corner, and all you have to do is go in the same line as your tear duct and just sharpen the edge to give it more of a cat eye effect. Again, I keep going over the liner to make it dark and make sure I don't have any jagged edges. Then finishing it off by using a makeup remover wipe to just sharpen the edges. And then I'm going in with my MAC eyeliner to line my waterline and tightline. I'm going to grab a brush just to smudge out the eyeliner since this eyeliner is creamy. And then I'm going to dip that brush into my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and use that to really blend out the liner. Okay guys, so I finished my brows off camera. I used the Huda Beauty new brow pencil, which is absolutely bomb. It has such a thin tip, as you guys can see, and it worked wonderfully. I used it with my soap brow technique and I really like it. So to finish off this look, I just need to do lashes and my lips. I'm going to curl my lashes using the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and probably won't need lashes. The difference is like insane. I still get shocked by it every time I wear it. that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it was easy enough to follow along. If you guys do like this video, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to this channel. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next week.